Hi, and welcome to Case Club. Today, we'll be reviewing our MetaQuest Pro carry case. It's designed to hold your MetaQuest Pro headset and accessories. First, we'll go over the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. The foam in our case is pre-cut and ready to perfectly fit your gear. No cutting on your end is required. The case can hold your MetaQuest Pro headset, one protective cover, two MetaQuest Touch Pro controllers, two wrist straps. One 45-watt USB-C power adapter, one controller charge cable, one charging cable for the headset, one charging dock, two partial light blockers left and right, Take special note of the accessories stored here by the back strap and here under the charging dock. We engineered this case to maximize available space so you end up with the most compact case possible.
Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam.
The foam in the lid is custom cut in the same material and contoured in such a way where it holds everything in place when the case is closed without adding any extra strain on the delicate headset. This feature is often skipped on other cases, but is vitally important so the headset doesn't take an unnatural bend. Here. Moving on to the shell of the case. The hard plastic is injection molded and will absorb impact if accidentally dropped. Chamfered corners help to deflect impact. Two snap latches with positive feedback to keep the lid tightly secured to the base. Multiple padlockable points for added security. Durable mechanical hinges in the back. Feet on the bottom so the case can stand upright on its own. An integral carry handle is durable and textured to provide a firm, non-slip grip. And raised grooves on the bottom prevent the case from becoming scratched when sliding around. To top it off, interlocking ribs on the lid and base make the case stackable if you have more than one. This briefcase style case is perfect for protecting your gear against shocks, drops, and impacts. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.